Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Harish Kumar. In the first two videos, we have created a custom validation rule using closures like this one, and we have created this match current password global rule using the validator extend like this one. Now in this video, we are going to create custom validation rule using rule objects. Before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, please hit the red subscribe button and press bell icon so when I upload new videos you get notified. Now let's create a custom validation using rule objects. So in the terminal, if we run PHP artisan list, here you can also see that we have a artisan command for make rule to create a validation rule. So here we can create PHP artisan make rule and then the rule name. Let's say our rule name is match current password. Now our rule is created. So in the editor, here we have a new directory rules, and here we have match current password, and it implements rule interface. Now in this class we have a construct to add dependencies, and this is the pass method where we will add a logic to check our conditions for validation. So now in this pass method, it accepts attribute, which is the name of the attribute, and the value from the form request. So let's try dump this. So now how we can use this? So in the password controller, right here in this request validator, let's comment this global validation rule match current password, and here we will pass new match current password. Now in the browser, refresh, and let's add 123 current password, new password, confirm password, and submit. Now here we have a current password, this one, attribute name, and the value 123. Now this pass method returns a boolean, so we can add a same logic, this one. So let's copy this and paste that right here, uncomment this, and make sure to import this hash right here. And now let's go to browser, try this again, random current password, new password, and update. Now you will see the validation error message, which is from this message method, this one. So here we can pass any custom validation. For example, let's say the current password is invalid. Now let's try again. The current password is invalid. Great. Now let's try the correct one. And update. The password is updated successfully. The main benefit of this rule based custom validation is that from the controller right here we can pass the dependency. For example, right now in this pass method we are checking the current logged in user. Now what if it has a requirement to check the current password for any user? So right here, let's say we pass this user right here. So now right here it is going to accept user $user, and next here we will say $this user is equal to $user. Now right here we do not need auth check condition because we want to compare the password of the user passed right here. Now here instead of auth user we will say $this user password. Now let's try this. So refresh, let's pass the current password, any random string, new password, and confirm password. Now update. and it is working. The current password is invalid. Let's pass the correct password, new password, and confirm new password. Now update. Password updated, it worked. I personally always use rule-based custom validation because it adds a consistency in the code and the code looks well organized. Laravel also provides a invokable rule-based class also, so let's see this as well. So in the terminal, let's create a new rule, PHP artisan make rule. Now this time what should be the rule name? Let's say our rule name is current password. And to create invokable rule, here we need to pass invokable. Now in the editor, in the rules directory, here we have a new class current password and it implements invokable interface. And in this class you can see we have a method invoke which accepts the attribute value fields, very similar to closure based rule attribute value field. So this is the attribute name. In our case it is going to be the current password, value from the form request, and the field is the closure function. We can use the current password rule same as we pass this match current password. So let's comment this, and here we'll say new current password, and here we will pass this user, and this is going to have dependency for user. And right now this method does not has construct, so let's copy it from the match current password, this one, and paste that here and import this user class. Here we have user model class. Next, in this invoke method, here it returns a void. So in this invoke method we need to define the validation logic similar like we have defined in this closure validation. So I'm going to copy this and paste that here. And next, let's import this hash facade. Now here we will say $this user. So here what we are doing, first we have a construct method which is going to accept the dependency for user, and next right here in this invoke method we check if the password from the form request does not match with the password of the user. In that case, call the fail closure function and pass validation message. And we have called this current password invokable rule in the password controller right here. Now let's test this. So refresh, random password. It failed. Great, it's working. So now correct password. The password updated. So it is working great. I hope it was useful video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe us. See you in the next lesson.